How to connect webcam to MacBook. As there is no USB port in MacBook, therefore I am using USB connector to connect this webcam to MacBook. If your MacBook have an option to connect this webcam directly, you can use it without USB connector. Attach this to USB connector. After connecting webcam to USB connector, as you can see, I am using C port. Webcam has connected to MacBook. Now you can use your webcam for video call or anything else. I am using Zoom for a video call. Click on new meeting. Here you can see this is a built-in camera of MacBook. This is the external camera or webcam. As you can see here, it is working. As you can see, there is a blue light. If you are using Google Meet, you can change the camera from here. Here you can see FaceTime HD camera, which is built-in camera. Here you can change the webcam. If you want to use it in OBS, you can simply use it as well. Here you can see video capture device. Currently it is using built-in camera. Here we can change it to webcam. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.